Yo, yo, I'm telling you, man, Vybz Kartel is a comedian. People, no wonder why he stay trending. I mean, he's a character. Yo, I can't, man. Vybz Kartel definitely, deserve, everything that he's getting, man. No wonder why he's called World Boss, man. I mean, yo, yo, he's just chilling, man. He's just turning up over there. Trust me, he ain't give a damn about what these haters are saying. You know what I'm saying? He's just living his best life. You know what I'm saying? They're celebrating. They got the Spade Fest or whatever you call that liquor. They just turning up, guys. I mean, it's just a regular day in Miami for them. You know what I'm saying? And trust me, guys, it's a good look. You know what I'm saying? It's a very, very great look. He's moving, stronger. His health is looking way, way 100 better. Guys, I'm just so happy for him, man. Happy for his family. And guys, remember, Saturday is the big show over there in Baltimore. You know what I'm saying? I think it's I don't want to quote wrong, but it's over there in Baltimore. I would just try to, put the comment section of the arena in Baltimore, where the show is going to keep. But trust me, I'm happy for him, man. I'm happy, man. I don't know how a person can bad mind Vybz Kartel. I just don't understand. But people, just big up Vybz Kartel, man. The whole Gaza nation, we're there, we're winning. The king is winning. The whole team, the whole Grinch team is winning. Guys, just make sure, guys, you like, share, and keep subscribing to the YouTube channel. I'm out.
See me and see up to the time. It's Vybz Kartel. And you're in tune to Keep It Real with Andrae. Watch, like, subscribe, and share. I'm out.